Sometimes happens that you may get the data from a different program, maybe SAP or maybe Tele or other program. It happens that you get the data in a form that everything is concatenated or joined together, and if you want to separate them, we have some beautiful options available in Excel. But before that, you have to first find out the symmetry in the data. The more symmetry you have in the data, the more easiest function you can use to separate them. If you find less symmetry, you can go with much more complex functions and still you can actually separate it. Let's see the data over here. We have product codes. Now if you look at the data, we have some similarity in the data. These product codes comprises of two major things. On the left hand side we have 3 alphabets and on the right hand side we have 6 numbers. So if you would want to separate the letters and numbers, it would be easy, because in total we have 3 letters in each product codes, and that to be on the left hand side and numbers on the right hand side. We would definitely discuss the unsymmetrical data in the next video, but right now we'll go with this. So let's see, if you want to take out something from the left of a cell, we can use a formula equals to left left. So it's very logical, guys. Now it has two major arguments: text, comma, number of characters. Text is a mandatory argument, and that is bold right now. It means we are standing on this argument. It's an active argument. And number of characters are in square bracket. It means it's an optional argument. So we can technically leave it. But what if we leave it, it will take out only the first character from the left hand side of the text that we are going to give. Here the text is the first product code, comma, number of characters will be 3, which is KPO. So we'll take up 3 characters. So we write it as a number. We'll close down the bracket, and if I press enter, you can see that this is coming as KPO. Now if I just copy and paste it down like this, it will show me all the left side 3 characters from these cells. Now in the same manner, if we want to take out the numbers, the formula will be right, because the numbers are on the right hand side of the product codes. Text will be this one. Number of characters will be 6, because in total we have 6 characters from right hand side. So we'll type in 6, we'll close down the bracket, we'll press enter, then we'll copy and paste it down till the end, and there we go. We have all the characters with us. Now if we would want to take out something from middle, in this case out of KPO 232765, we want third to 6th character. So out of this we want O232, these 4 characters. Here we are going to use a formula which is equals to MID, that is mid. Syntax says text, comma, start number, comma, number of characters, and you can see all the arguments are mandatory. So text will be product code, comma, start number, the number from where you want to start it, that is KPO, that is from the 3rd character that we want to take out. So start number will be 3, comma, number of characters we want O232. So if we count on fingers, these are 4 characters. So we'll type in 4, and then we'll close down the bracket and we'll press enter, and there we go. We have the characters from 3rd to 6th. Then if I double click over here, I can copy and paste it down till the end. Now if I have letters and numbers that I'm getting from a program, and I would want to create a product code again. It means I want to join them, these two cells. So for that, we have in total two ways. The one is we have a formula that is known as concatenate. So that is equals to CONC. You can see the complete name, which is concatenate, which joins several text strings into a one text string. So if I press tab, I'll open the formula. It says text1, text2, text3, and so on. So whatever you need to join in, you just click over here, comma, now D6, which is letters and numbers. I'll close down the bracket here, and if I press enter, you can see the product code is completed in front of me. Now if I double click on the right bottom corner, I can copy and paste it down. The other method is, I think that concatenate formula is pretty much lengthy and maybe will not remember that. There is a substitute of this formula which is equals to letters and then using ampersand key, which is add. So I'm pressing shift on my keyboard, and this 7 number key on my keyboard that represents ampersand, that add symbol, and then the next string that we need to add. And now if I press enter, it will create a product code for me. It seems very easy as compared to concatenate. I hope you got the taste of these formulas comfortably. Thank you.